Hello and welcome to the Business Mastery Series with John Arnott. Today we're going to start with marketing, and I'm going to take you through the high-level overview of digital marketing. And then through this series, we're going to go into the details of each element. Your digital marketing journey starts with one thing: your presence. Your presence is composed of three different things. The first thing in your presence is your website. This is a website that's designed to get your visitor to convert or to take some sort of action based on what it is that they're seeking. The second thing in your presence are your reviews. That's often found in Google My Business, sometimes Yelp, Angie's List, Healthgrades. It really depends on your industry, but it's key to have a presence somewhere on a third party where people can learn about you and see reviews about your organization. And the third element of your presence is your social media. Each social media channel is catered for a different type of visitor, and depending on who your customer, client, or patient is, you're going to choose which social media platforms you need to be on. And from there, determine if you need to have a community of social media followers engaged. The second element in our digital marketing journey is lead generation. Now, there are two types of leads. There are quick leads, and there are sustained leads. Quick leads are leads that you pay to get. And you can get quick leads from three different components. The first component of quick leads are social needs. This is where you're paying to be on Facebook, or you're paying to be on Instagram. You're paying to have your brand in front of your target customer. The other thing you're doing with these is you're retargeting. When somebody visits your website, or take some action, or you give a proposal to them, or they're in your funnel some other way, you want to make sure that your brand is in front of them in social media. The second type of quick lead are search leads. This is when your brand shows up based on the intent of the searcher on Google and Bing and Yahoo. When somebody does a search and they're showing intent that they want something that you offer, it's important that you are visible in those search engines. And the third type of quick lead are displays. These are like billboards, they're banners, they're things that show up on other websites. And you're going to go and have your banner follow that person when they go from site to site. Quick leads are intended to get your brand in front of somebody using paid channels, and they're intended to get you leads quickly before you've built out your entire digital marketing funnel. Now, the second type of lead are sustained leads. These are the leads that we really want. These are the leads that continue to happen without us doing a significant amount of energy. They're also the most difficult to obtain. Sustained leads usually happens through search engine optimization, optimizing your website with a great content strategy where your brand shows up in search engines when somebody shows intent and is searching on something. Now, these sustained leads are what you want to get to. And usually there's a hybrid approach. You start with quick leads and you build up your sustained leads. And you might bring down your quick leads depending on how your sustained leads grow. The third element of digital marketing is your nurture funnel. There are two parties we nurture. We nurture an information qualified lead to a marketing qualified lead. We nurture a marketing qualified lead through a funnel, and then we convert them to a sales qualified lead, and we nurture them during the sales cycle. So let me take you through what this looks like. If somebody goes to your website, fills out a form, opt-in, or you get a business card, or they get into your funnel some way, they've expressed some interest, you're going to have a series of emails that are going to go to them. You may have some ads that are running that are specifically tailored towards somebody who's interested in your brand but is not ready to take action. And you're going to continue to nurture them. In addition, you're going to send other content, things that will interest them over time, so that when they are ready to make a decision, they think of your brand first, and that converts them to a sales qualified lead. The sales qualified lead is an opportunity. It's a proposal. It's something that you are going to offer them. And once they're a sales qualified lead, well, that's when you want to nurture a different way. Between the time the opportunity is created or the proposal is written and when they actually sign the contract or become a customer, client, or patient of yours, you're going to have a different nurture to make sure that they don't have buyer's remorse, to make sure that they know that you're the right choice. And these two types of nurture funnels are critical in the overall sales funnel. So let's reiterate this. What are the three key components of a digital marketing strategy? First, it's your presence. Second, they're your leads. And third, it's your nurture funnel. Now in the next videos, I'm going to get into a lot of detail on each of these. So I encourage you to subscribe, hit that bell so you hear when the next one comes, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.